Hello and welcome to Bio110. My name is Dale McCabe and it's my privilege to take you on a tour of some basic biological concepts. I teach general biology for both biology majors and non-majors, and this course is designed specifically for non-majors. Like all introductory biology classes, the scope of Bio110 is quite broad. We start out talking about atoms, molecules, and chemical bonds, and move on to biological molecules like lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acids. We spend some time on cells, cell membrane structure, and all of the various components and compartments that cells possess. This leads us to a discussion of energy, enzymes, and the laws of thermodynamics. We then tackle some key concepts like photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Cell division, including mitosis and meiosis, are examined in some detail. Since no biology class would be complete without a discussion of genetics, we talk about Mendel, the father of genetics, and his remarkable conclusions regarding particulate inheritance that were published in the 1860s and lay unappreciated until their rediscovery in 1900. This leads to our modern understanding of genetic principles, which includes discussions of the structure of DNA, how it's copied, how it contains the recipes for all of the proteins that your body makes, and how those proteins are actually put together. We then spend some time on the central theory of biology, evolution. Charles Darwin's theory explains both the unity and diversity of life, and was met with a good deal of skepticism when Darwin published On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection in 1859, and continues to generate controversy today. We end up with the big picture, ecology. We examine various ecosystems on the planet, how they're structured, how energy flows through them, and how matter is cycled within them. All of these assemblages are collectively called the biosphere, and we devote some time to human interaction with the biosphere, stressing the fact that we are part of nature, not separate from it. Our responsibility towards the biosphere is ultimately a matter of self-responsibility because we are dependent on the welfare of the planet. To help you get through this array of topics, I have provided slideshows with synchronized audio lectures. In addition, there are links to animations at the book publisher's website that have non-credit quizzes you can take to determine if you're understanding the material and to get some practice. Although these quizzes are non-credit, that doesn't mean that some of the questions couldn't show up on one of our credit quizzes or exams. We don't meet face-to-face at any time during the quarter, and all quizzes and exams will be taken online. I have organized the material into 3 units in separate folders that contain all of the information you will need for each major exam. And I'll provide you with a study guide for each test that is very specific about what topics you need to focus on. There will be weekly announcements to let you know what's going on in the class, and I want to assure you that we will communicate frequently. For any assignment, I'll give you plenty of advance notice regarding what needs to be done and when it is due. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email me. I check my email at the start of the day and at the end of the day. So responses from me will be sent early in the morning or later in the evening. I do not check email on weekends, so any emails received on the weekend will be dealt with on Monday morning. In addition, I will have virtual office hours on Mondays from 1 to 2 p.m. and on Wednesdays from 1 to 2 p.m. There will also be activities on discussion board designed to allow you to interact with each other while learning about new and exciting developments in biological research.